Hey guys, welcome to another day, Camp House Barbecue. Football season is upon us. Everybody's coming around with football season, college football, NFL football, high school football. It's been awesome. I mean, I just started with my daughter. She does a dance for her high school team, for the the dance team. So we've been going on till the Friday Night Lights. If you know Texas, you know Friday Night Lights. So today I'm going to show y'all just a simple little cheese dip that I like to do to snack around. It's 3 ingredients, 4 if you count the corn chips. So first is going to be this Jimmy Dean Country Mild sausage, and then it's going to be some of this a whole stick of Velveeta cheese, 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes with lime and cilantro. I'm sorry, Chris. Yes, it has cilantro. And then just a regular mild diced tomatoes and green chili Rotel. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to brown the sausage, then I'm going to add my cheeses, and then I'm going to add my, like I said, this is quick, simple, and fast. You know, if you want to do a cheese dip for your tailgates, for, you know, watching football, this is a good thing. Like I said, and then just some regular old corn chips. This is the ones I like to use, Sarita. So we're going to get it over, we're going to get the sausage in the pan, start browning it, and we'll check back at that point. Cheers. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on the bottom just to get it going. Like I said, this is just that Jimmy Dean Country Mild breakfast sausage, pork sausage, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna brown it up. I got my stove right now at like a medium high. So we're just gonna brown these up. Once we get them browned up, then we'll add all our other ingredients. Yeah, there. Got one little piece still in there. That ain't gonna come out. I ain't gonna worry about it. All right, guys. So we're gonna brown these up. Throw this away. Brown these up. Alright guys, so I'm going to brown these up. I'm going to turn it up to almost close to high. Just get it browned up and then we'll cut back. So once I get this browned up, we'll check back. Alright guys, so we got these browned up to where we kind of want them. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Now I'm going to add those 2 cans of Rotel. Like I said, this is just a mild one. Put it in there, let them steam off a little bit together. And this is the one with the diced tomatoes, lime juice, and cilantro. Just put them in there. And just let them get to know each other. Let them get to know each other. We got everything out of them cans. Let them get to know each other. Now guys, you can also do this in a crock pot or a little small roaster. So I'm just doing it on here. Couldn't find my little roaster. I think it's somewhere in storage. So like I said, I'm gonna do it hot here. And once I add my cheese, I'm gonna turn it all the way low and just let that cheese do its thing on its own. You know, I just want to get it high right now to brown the sausage, and then just to let the Rotel and the sausage marry each other. So we're gonna let those get together. I'm gonna cut up my Velveeta cheese into cubes, and then I'm gonna add it. We'll check back here at that stage. Alright guys, so I let them steam off. I let them come back to a boil. I think they married each other perfectly. So I'm gonna chop up this cheese in cubes and I'm gonna put it in there. Alright, we'll come back here shortly. Alright guys, so I got that whole block of Velveeta cheese. Just its little squares like that. I'm gonna set them right on top. And then just let it do its magic. Once it melts in there, then you can start mixing them all together. But give it a chance to melt down itself. And then we'll start incorporating it all together. Like I said, I use the whole wham bam shabam. It's good stuff. You're trying to impress your peeps. Some queso, Camp House queso. Get after it. So now I'm gonna, excuse me, I'm gonna put the lid on. I said I reduced my heat down to like a medium low and just let it do its thing on its own. Let that cheese melt by itself and then you can start working it in there, working everything together. So we'll check back here in a couple of minutes. So it's been about, I'm gonna say 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna say 10. So I'm gonna mix it all together. Get them all incorporated. Let them all be friends. Woo-wee! It's gonna be some good eating right here. It's about ready, so I'm gonna let it mix all these other chunks in here. Let all the rest of the cheese break down. And we'll be ready to plate. So, it's pretty good. Good stuff. That meaty, creamy, you can only imagine. Only imagine. Alright guys, so we'll check back here for the plating. Look at that. Quick and easy. I think it took me, the longest part of it was browning the meat. But for the most part, it's good stuff. Alright guys, we'll check back here in a bit.